In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a video into a GIF in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have a clean, looping GIF that's ready to share anywhere, whether that's social media, messaging, or a presentation. Start by opening Adobe Express in your browser or the mobile app. The process is the same in both. On the home page, look for the video area, or head to the Video Quick Actions section and choose Convert, then GIF. This takes you right to the tool you need, without any unnecessary setup. Next, upload your video from your device. Pick the clip you want to convert. Shorter clips work best for GIFs, so if you have a longer video, don't worry, you'll trim it down in the next step. Common formats like MP4 and MOV typically work well here. Once your video loads, you'll see a timeline. Drag the handles on either end to trim the clip, so you're only keeping the exact moment you want to loop. Play the preview as you go to check your timing. Aim for a concise segment with a clear beginning and end. If you want a smoother loop, try to end on a frame that naturally transitions back to the start. Now choose your file size and layout. You'll see options like small, medium, or large. Small is great for quick messaging and places with strict size limits. Medium is a safe choice for most social feeds, balancing quality and file size. Large gives you more detail, which is helpful if the GIF will be viewed on bigger screens, but it will result in a larger file. For layout, match the aspect ratio to where the GIF will live. Square is versatile for grids, portrait-fit stories, and vertical feeds, and landscape works well for widescreen displays. Keep in mind that bigger dimensions and higher quality mean larger files and potentially slower loading. Take a moment to preview again. Make sure the motion feels smooth, the subject is centered, and the length fits your goal. If it looks choppy, try trimming a bit tighter or stepping down in size to help it play more consistently across platforms. When you're happy, download the GIF. Adobe Express will process it and save it to your device. Give the file a clear name and store it where you can find it easily. If you're sharing somewhere with strict limits, quickly check the file size. If it's too large, go back and choose a smaller option. And that's it. You've turned a video into a polished GIF in just a few steps using Adobe Express. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.